The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, is a marvel of engineering. It is the most powerful telescope ever launched into space. Its mission is simple yet profound, to peer into the depths of the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of the universe. With its advanced instruments, JWST can detect the faintest light from the most distant galaxies. It can even analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets, searching for the chemical signatures of life. Since its launch, JWST has been exceeding expectations. It has captured breathtaking images of distant nebulae. It has provided unprecedented data on the formation of stars and galaxies. And now, it has delivered a discovery that has sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community and beyond. JWST has detected something extraordinary. It has observed rhythmic, structured light emissions from a star system trillions of miles away. These emissions are unlike anything we've encountered before. They are not random or chaotic. Instead, they exhibit a distinct pattern, a regularity that suggests an artificial origin. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a distant star blinking at you, not randomly, but in a deliberate sequence. That's essentially what JWST has observed. These rhythmic light emissions are not mere fluctuations in starlight. They are precise, repeating patterns that defy easy explanation. The star system in question is located in a region of space teeming with potential habitable planets. This fact alone makes the discovery even more intriguing. Could these rhythmic emissions be a sign of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization? Is it possible that we have stumbled upon a beacon from an alien world, a cosmic lighthouse guiding us towards a profound realization? The thought of discovering intelligent life beyond Earth is both exhilarating and daunting. It would redefine our place in the universe, shattering our cosmic isolation and forcing us to confront the possibility that we are not alone. But before we jump to conclusions, it's important to consider all possible explanations, no matter how improbable they may seem. The idea that these rhythmic light emissions could be a deliberate signal from an extraterrestrial civilization is tantalizing. It's a concept that has captivated the human imagination for centuries, fueling countless science fiction stories and sparking endless debates among scientists and the public alike. If these emissions are indeed artificial, they would represent the first confirmed technosignature, a sign of technology developed by a civilization beyond Earth. This would be a monumental discovery, forever changing our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The implications of such a discovery are profound. It would mean that we are not the only intelligent life in the universe. It would suggest that other civilizations have emerged, evolved, and perhaps even surpassed our own technological capabilities. It would raise countless questions about their culture, their history, and their motivations for sending such a signal into the cosmos. While the possibility of an extraterrestrial origin for these rhythmic light emissions is captivating, it's crucial to approach this discovery with a healthy dose of skepticism. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and the scientific community is right to demand rigorous scrutiny of any potential technosignature. There are several alternative explanations for these emissions that must be explored before we can confidently attribute them to an alien civilization. One possibility is that we are witnessing an as-yet undiscovered astrophysical phenomenon. The universe is full of surprises, and it's entirely possible that these rhythmic emissions are a natural occurrence, albeit a highly unusual one. Another possibility is that the signals are not of extraterrestrial origin at all, but rather a form of interference from our own technology. Space is becoming increasingly crowded with satellites and debris, and it's conceivable that these objects could be reflecting or distorting light in a way that mimics the observed patterns. The discovery of these rhythmic light emissions has presented scientists with a tantalizing puzzle, one that will require years, if not decades, of further investigation to solve. The first step is to rule out all possible natural explanations, no matter how improbable they may seem. This will involve gathering more data, conducting further observations, and developing new theoretical models to explain the observed phenomena. Scientists will also need to carefully analyze the data for any signs of patterns or structures that could provide clues about the origin of the emissions. Are there any subtle variations in the signals that might indicate a specific technological process? Are the emissions consistent with known laws of physics, or do they hint at something beyond our current understanding? Answering these questions will require a collaborative effort from astronomers, physicists, engineers, and other experts from around the world. It's a challenge that highlights the power of scientific inquiry, as well as the importance of international cooperation in unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Regardless of whether these rhythmic light emissions turn out to be a sign of extraterrestrial intelligence or a natural phenomenon, the very act of searching for such signals has profound implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It forces us to confront the possibility that we are not alone, that other intelligent beings may exist out there, perhaps looking up at the same stars and wondering if they too are alone. The discovery of even microbial life beyond Earth would be a watershed moment in human history. It would confirm that life is not unique to our planet, that the universe is teeming with the potential for life to emerge and evolve. It would raise profound questions about the nature of life itself and our place within the grand tapestry of the cosmos. The search for extraterrestrial life is ultimately a search for ourselves, a quest to understand our origins, our place in the universe, and our destiny as a species. It's a journey that is both humbling and awe-inspiring, one that reminds us of the vastness of the cosmos and the boundless possibilities that lie beyond our world. The potential discovery of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization raises a host of ethical considerations. If we were to make contact, how should we proceed? Should we attempt to communicate, or should we remain silent, observing from a safe distance? Some argue that we should actively reach out, sending messages into the cosmos in the hope of eliciting a response. They believe that making contact with an alien civilization would be the greatest discovery in human history, offering untold opportunities for scientific and cultural exchange. Others caution against such a bold approach, arguing that we know nothing about the intentions of an alien civilization. They point to our own history, rife with examples of conflict and exploitation, as a cautionary tale. Contacting an advanced alien species could pose unforeseen risks, potentially endangering humanity or even our entire planet. The search for extraterrestrial life has the power to transform our perspective on ourselves and our place in the universe. It reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a vast and ancient cosmos teeming with wonders yet to be discovered. Even if we never make contact with another intelligent civilization, the very act of searching for life beyond Earth can inspire us to become better stewards of our own planet. It highlights the preciousness and fragility of life, and the importance of preserving the delicate balance of our biosphere for future generations. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, should it ever occur, would be a profound moment in human history. It would challenge our deeply held beliefs about our place in the universe and force us to confront the awe-inspiring reality that we are not alone. The James Webb Space Telescope has opened a new window into the cosmos, revealing a universe more complex and awe-inspiring than we ever imagined. Its discovery of rhythmic light emissions, whether natural or artificial, has reignited our fascination with the possibility of life beyond Earth and spurred us to explore the cosmos with renewed vigor. As we continue to develop ever more powerful telescopes and explore the universe in greater detail, we can only marvel at the discovery